2 seconds later.
To conclude this video, we're gonna do a very heavy massage. What's wrong with you?
Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a facial on my brother, Peter. Hey, it's Peter. Peter normally does all of our audio visuals, so I'm gonna show you what's on my side of the camera today. This is Paul, and there's Jose, and it's quite the production. And there's Peter. God damn, you look ugly, but I look sickening. The last time we did this, it did 1 million views, and I'm proud to say we are back. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know down below. I'm almost licensed as an esthetician, and I think I'm going to be late to class, so let's get started. Tell us what you want to improve, because there's quite a lot, but keep it really short, okay? I have dry skin, so I just need to moisturize. I need to improve this area specifically. The last time Patrick bruised me up, so hopefully this time. That did not happen, okay? He had a lot of extractions, and I helped his skin. Today's video is not sponsored by DERMALOGICA. This was in our esthetician kit. The last time someone was in this bed was John Legend. Alright, so the steamer is on. So for pre-cleanser, we're gonna use the TATCHA Camellia Cleansing Oil. Okay guys, please don't mind my short ass nails, because yesterday we went to a pottery making class and it was forbidden to have long nails. You need to pre-cleanse. Pre-cleansing is an oil cleanser to break down the dead skin cells and all of that hard buildup of oil all around the face, because Peter has a lot of it. You know, Peter's normally ticklish around the neck, but right now it's not until you mention it that is ticklish. Look at this, guys. It's sponges, and they expand in water. A lot of you guys have been asking me about esthetician school, and it's been so fun, and I've been really excited because I get to come home and tell my brothers how to do their skincare, and I've improved my own personal skincare, so it's been really exciting to get my skin in check, and I'm really proud of how far my skin has come. It's been a long way to get my skin to this point. Next, I'm gonna take the DERMALOGICA Special Cleansing Gel. It's hard to hear anything with it. Are you okay? I was saying it's hard to hear anything with this steamer on, so we had to turn it off. I don't know what's so button to you. I'm gonna gently remove this cleanser, and we will move on to exfoliating. If you guys are so scared of starting skincare, or you guys don't know what to do, I want you guys to walk away from this video to pre-cleanse and cleanse and exfoliate. What you put on after is up to you, but as I'm introducing skincare on my channel, I want you guys to feel fierce, I want you guys to feel fresh, and I want you guys to feel clean whenever you watch one of my skincare videos, and that's the goal. Okay, to exfoliate, I'm gonna take a little bit of the Daily Microfoliant. This is great to get off that dead skin. I'm gonna take a close skincare brush, turn this into a foam, and we're gonna apply this all over the face. If you guys have any recommendations on other exfoliants that you like, feel free to comment down below. I'm so excited that I went to school, because I've been able to meet new friends that I feel like will be in my life for a very long time. Having been in beauty for 10 years in the social media world as a makeup lover, I'm excited that I'm able to turn the page in a new chapter to learn about skincare, and I'm excited to make new bestie friends out there. If you're an esthetician, comment down below. I'd love to learn from you any tips or tricks about products or business, and hopefully we can create a community in the comment section below, and also on my channels, of just esthetician content and communication and community, because it's something that I feel like I've been missing, that I've always wanted to be a part of. extractions on him. Look at this trick. I'm gonna make a little eye cover out of tissue. I take a tissue, fold it in half, fold it in half again. I'm gonna soak it with water. I'm gonna twist it. Make a little eye patch. Just right here, and press it. And it will form nicely around the eye. Oh my god, this is so dirty. So next, I'm gonna do a jelly mask. This one is by RAKEL Aesthetics. This one is the turmeric jelly mask for brightening and anti-inflammatory, hyperpigmentation, and dull skin. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up in my bowl, and it's gonna calm the skin down. It's gonna really drop the temperature of the skin. If any of my esty besties out there have a preference on a jelly mask, comment down below which one that you guys like and the brand so I can buy it. This is the consistency that I'm looking for, a jelly. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let this set and I'll be right back once it's hardened and we'll take it off together. Alright, 1 hour later the mask is finally dried and we are going to take it off. This is the coolest part. This time with the mask has allowed the skin to really calm down and really cool down. You'll notice if you ever get a facial with a jelly mask, your pores really get shut. I'm excited to see this glow. Gonna take a little towel to wipe the excess off. Alright, look at Peter's skin. It's looking very fresh, very clean. The pores are shut. Now, since the skin is super clean, I'm gonna go ahead and take some products to really protect the skin and nourish the skin and feed the skin. So for toner, I'm gonna go ahead and take the INNISFREE green tea seed hyaluronic acid toner and a little bit of this Jordan and Peterson clarifying toner. And really press this into the skin. I'm also gonna treat the neck because he's a little bit dry with his eczema from the neck. For serum, I'm gonna take the INNISFREE green tea seed hyaluronic acid serum. And then for moisturizer, the INNISFREE intensive hydrating cream. But I love how like lightweight and airy this feels. And it really glides on the skin and complements the other products. It's great before makeup too. This one is a little bit of a splurge. This is the AUGUSTINUS Bader eye cream. I love the texture and how lightweight the eye cream is. Just gonna apply this around the eyes really gently. Comment down below how old you think Peter is because Peter is getting up there, guys. If you guys want to check out Peter, Peter is a vegan food blogger as well. That concludes our facial today on Peter. How does your facial feel? I feel refreshed. A lot more professional than the last time we recorded this ASMR facial on my brother. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Peter for joining me on my channel. If you guys want to see more videos like this, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much for being with me on this journey, on this 10-year journey here on YouTube. Don't forget, makeup is a one-size-fits-all. You are beautiful, you are loved.